Hi guys, how are you? I heard you. In the first poll here on my channel, you clearly stated that you're interested in tutorials on managing your computers, servers, and single board computers, or SBCs, like Raspberry Pi, Orange Pi, or Karas devices. I want you to learn how to do this the right way. I don't want you to waste your time fiddling around, figuring out stuff, testing configurations, and starting over. No, that is not the way. I want you to approach this on more sophisticated level, but don't be scared. It's more complex, but not more complicated. To be fair, it's even more straightforward than the alternative. I'll make this somewhat more structured tutorial series divided into curated chapters/videos. So I encourage you to watch this whole playlist in order. So, what am I talking about? I'm talking about Ansible. Ansible is a tool that can do many things. In our use case, Ansible is a free open source tool used to automate the configuration and management of our systems and applications. It allows us to define everything as code and then use that code to automate complex or repetitive tasks, configuration, or complex processes. What are the key features of Ansible? It's free and open source. It's very easy to learn and use. Let me repeat this one. It's easy to learn. And its documentation with examples is one of the best I've ever seen. Ansible is agentless, which means that if you want to manage, let's say, 5 computers with it, you don't need to install Ansible itself or some agent application on each of them. You can manage them from this one main Ansible master computer. And let's face it, that's just simply more convenient in every way. Ansible doesn't care if you want to manage your on-premises computers or cloud-based systems. You can manage everything with it, even Windows-based computers. But that's a whole different story. Ansible uses simple YAML-based language, which allows us to define playbooks and roles that describe the desired state of our systems. I used words here that you might need to become more familiar with. Ansible uses something called playbooks and roles to describe what you want it to do. Imagine a recipe that describes step by step how to cook a meal. That's basically an Ansible playbook. And last key feature I'll mention here is repeatability. You can use everything you do with Ansible repeatedly, and you don't need to do anything more than once. What do I mean? Imagine a scenario where you prepare one playbook that ensures your favorite tools and applications are installed on your server or computer. For simplicity, let's say the Vim editor, Midnight Commander, and Z Shell, and configures it to your liking. And now you want to do the same again, for whatever reason. Maybe you want to do the same on another computer or virtual computer, or you reinstalled the same computer. It could be your home computer on which you are testing a lot of stuff and want to bring it back to some kind of default configuration. Whatever the case, you don't need to do these things again and again manually. You only need to run that playbook again. It will do everything for you precisely the same as last time. And that's just great. And you can expand upon it later. Next time, add something to the configuration, tune it a little bit, and in no time you will have your own awesome playbooks to manage things the way you like. So you can imagine the basic workings of Ansible like this. You have one master Ansible from which you can manage any number of computers. The only thing that needs to be run on those computers or servers is SSH service. And that's pretty much almost any Linux server or device today. Then you have your playbook definition, a text file with definitions you want to apply to those computers. And then you just tell Ansible to apply this playbook to those computers. And that's it. It's as simple as that. But it's so powerful, believe me. Okay, now you have a basic understanding of what Ansible is and what it can do for you. I hope you like this video. Please hit that like and subscribe buttons and meet me in my next video of this playlist on how to install Ansible the right way, not from your system's repositories. See you there. Bye.